Hello, everybody. It is Steve with SBL Games. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we have a PS5 business to business HDMI port replacement. This person has cats or something. I don't know. There's all this hair and gunk. So we're going to clean that out really well. Let's see if I could illuminate. There we go. I could see a little better. See all the chunkies. So we'll take care of all that for you, and then we'll do the HDMI. And this is something we've been coming across a lot lately, liquid metal displacement. I will take care of that, but if you guys own any of the older PS5s, or even the new one, do not, I repeat, do not play it vertical. It will not serve you well. Displacement taken care of. Gotta wait for it to warm up. I had it set way low. There we go. Sorry. Luckily, there doesn't appear to be any torn pads. I will take it. Alright, so we're going to need to remove this old solder so we can get some new fresh solder on. So let's go ahead and get the solder put on. There we go. I was going to say that one pad didn't want to take. Alright. Now we just gotta get it off. There we go. Alright, let's get this fresh solder. Come on. There we go. There we go. Keeps doing that. I gotta get rid of this HDMI cable. Yeah, I gotta get rid of this cable. Alright. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, Hit that bell notification so you're always alerted. Be sure to subscribe.